Hi, my name is Adam Heverla, and I would like to welcome you back. It is 2024 and a very happy new year to all of you. We are going to start the new year with sunshine and happiness and kindness, and nothing is better than making somebody else feel special. It is January, it is cold, it is dreary. We need something bright, we need something cheerful, we need some happiness. I know the holidays just passed, but it feels like they've been so long ago. That's why we're bringing you this beautiful yellow and blue bouquet this month to just put a smile on your face and those around you. And on a side note, what do you guys think of the new sleeves? These are brand new for this year. I'm in love with them. I hope you like them as much as I do. Just like what we've done in the past, and for all of our new viewers, the first thing we're going to do is remove the wrapping. And that's broke, but that's okay. It's broken, but it's not garbage. So if you have a broken flower, I promise you we'll use them. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to separate the flowers by variety, color, and type. That way we get a really good definition of all the items we have here. Now that we've separated them, our vessels this month are going to be an assortment of bud vases. If you have bud vases in the cupboards, bring them down. You can pick up inexpensive bud vases at stores. At the store where you bought these beautiful flowers, I know they have bud vases, so you can pick them up there. Just get an assortment of bud vases that are going to be great for these beautiful flowers. I've already pre-mixed the flower food into the water of the pitcher. When you're doing assortment of vases or bud vases or cubes or any kind of things that we do together that's a series of vases, it's always best to mix the solution before you put it in here. Because what I know happens is people will open up that little packet, put a little bit, and they're not getting a good measurement. If you do it properly in a pitcher and then fill your vases, I guarantee you the flowers are going to last a lot longer. Our biggest flower we have this month is this beautiful blue hydrangea. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's take off a few of the foliage pieces, and we're going to cut this rather short and put it in one of these bud vases that have that beautiful rounded base. Do you notice how the shapes mimic each other? I think it works perfectly in there. Next, we're going to take some of our spray roses. Because I have a long lateral here, I can pop this one off and this one and save those for a different vase, and take these and let's put them right into there. These little guys that I just popped off, I'm going to cut and put them in this dainty little bud vase. How cute is that? It's all about extending the flowers. Let's try to get as much out of them as we possibly can. We're going to do the same thing with this. This bud is not garbage. Use it. It's not going to open up, but how beautiful and how like nature is that to have a bud of a rose right next to the open rose. And let's put these right into here. I'm actually going to give this one even some more height. How cute is that? If you see a stem that needs to be cut off, you can just chop that right off. Next, we have our gorgeous yellow daisies. Always make sure that we remove all of the foliage that's going to be under the water level. We don't want that foliage sitting in the water and creating bacteria. Next, we have these gorgeous color-enhanced carnations. And let's pop those in that vase. And I think I'm going to do two of these together. Cute, right? Our mini carnations. I'm going to cut it in half, go in the vase, And I want a little bit of drama with this, so I'm gonna bring this up even higher. And now we have the Eryngium, another blue component. I have one vase left. So let's go ahead and remove the foliage again that's under the water. Pop that in. And our filler flower. Love Matricaria. I think it's so great. I love it because it has all these long stems that we can take off and put in other things. So let's pop these off. That way we can spread our love with these throughout. The first one, I'm gonna take the foliage off, and let's put it in with our carnations. We'll take another couple little pieces, and I think I want to add it with the Eryngium coming out the opposite way. What do you guys think? It just softens that Eryngium right up by having this moment happening. And I have one more little guy left, and I want to add it to this dainty little rose vase. All right, now on to some foliages. Because this vase is so vertical, we definitely need some height, right? You guys have seen the videos, you know we have to mimic the movement. So let's take a piece and go right up. Take another piece, and we're gonna put it in with the daisies over here. And then I want to show you a little technique to utilize with the hydrangea. So lily grass has a natural curve to it, but if you run it along your finger a couple of times, do you see how you get even a more dramatic curve? If you do that with all of these, we can get more of a curve happening, and we're going to put the curve coming out of the hydrangea onto the table. So you can just feed those through the hydrangea. You may have to lift it up into the vase, and it just comes out at the side. How cute. These are super cute just as they are, but let's add on a finishing touch for them. We're gonna make so many people happy with this bouquet. I made these little tags of wishes that I wish people in 2024. I printed them on my computer so they would be legible. My handwriting's not great, so I wanted to make sure they can read them. The purpose of this is to just give wishes out. We're gonna make so many people happy with just attaching one of these little tags to the flowers, and you can hand these out to your family, your friends, your neighbors. Imagine if you were to hand these out to strangers walking down the street. There's nothing more powerful than the act of kindness. And don't we want to start 2024 kind and happy and wishing everybody happiness? For under $15 and some bud vases you probably have in your home, we create a beautiful moment that will last for their memories. Again, you're gonna make so many people happy by just giving them a wish for 2024. With all of these wishes, I wish you all, every single one of them. I hope that 2024 brings you exactly what you want in life, and it's full of joy, happiness, and love, and of course, flowers. Remember to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next month and every month after until we complete 2024 together. Thank you.